All right, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to install Maven using Homebrew. So I want to check and make sure that Homebrew is installed on my MacBook. So I'm just going to type brew and then help. I've got some feedback there so I can see that Homebrew is already installed. If Homebrew is not installed, it's no problem. I can install Homebrew by typing that line. So if I just put in that command, it's going to allow me to install Homebrew. I don't need to do that, and so I'm going to just exit out of this real quick. Great. Now since I have Homebrew installed, I'm going to go in and install Maven using Homebrew. So I'm just going to type brew install Maven, and it's going to go through its thing. I'm going to pause while it goes through the script. Just peeking back in here real quick to share this. This is taking quite a bit of time. And you can see it's going through its thing to install Maven. Just wanted to kind of share this with everybody just in case yours is taking some time and you start to get concerned. Don't worry, it's going to go through and it'll be just fine. All right, it tells me that my installation is complete, so I'm just going to quickly go in and verify that Maven is installed correctly by typing the following command, mvn and then the flag v, and it tells me everything's okay. It's got OS version, Java version. Looks like all is good. The next step is that I need to go in and install some environment variables. Homebrew usually takes care of setting up the environment variables, but I'm just going to go in and verify those. I'm going to pause the recording and make sure all my environment variables are set up properly. All right. Now I'm going to verify that Maven is working and just create a simple Maven project. Here is the terminal command that I'm going to run to create that project and make sure that it is set up correctly. Great. So it gives me some feedback. It's letting me know everything that was set up and that the build was successful. So now I'm going to navigate to the project directory. So I just typed cd my app, and now as you can see, I'm in the my app directory, and I'm just going to build out the project now. And you can see that the build was successful. So I can tell that I've got Maven set up and everything's ready for me to go ahead and use Maven to manage my Java projects in this class. I hope this was helpful.